Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today in this very quick tutorial, I will show you how easy you can create Shamrock in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, let's rock and roll. Now, what I need to do, I need to create a new document. You can create your document in any size you like. After that, I will specify that I don't need color in my stroke, but I will specify a light green color for my fill. Using a rectangle tool, I will create this very simple shape. After that, I will switch to the selection tool and using any of these corners round icons, I will round up my shape, just like that. Perfect, right? Very simple. Now, I will click and hold Shift key and I will rotate my shape to 45 degrees, just like that. Next step is I want to duplicate this shape. To make everything faster, I will click and hold Option key. After that, I will click on my shape and I will drag it out, just like that. After that, I will release my mouse or my pen, and after that, I will release Option key, just like that. Now we have two shapes. While my duplicated shape is selected, I will click on Object, Transform, Reflect. Default setting is vertical and 90 degrees, exactly what I was looking for. And I will click OK. Now I will move my new duplicated shape on top of the first shape, just like that. And using same selection tool, I will select both shapes. Using the Shape Builder tool, I will create this very simple shape. Using selection tool, I will select two parts of my shape. I don't need any more. And now I will scale size of my shape down, just like that. Once again, I want to duplicate this shape. I will click and hold Option key and I will drag it out. I will rotate it and I will bring it close to the first shape. Now, I will duplicate this shape again. I will rotate it just like that and I will position it next to other two, just like that. Next step is our stem. To create this stem, I will switch to the curvature tool. Double click to create first point, second point, third point, double click, fourth point, double click. So I need to create straight line between 2 points. Double click will create straight line between 2 points. And voila. This is our stem. You can adjust anything you like using same curvature tool. You don't have to switch to any other tool. Now, I would like to move this stem close to the flower, to the shamrock. To do so, I will switch to the selection tool and voila. Just like that. If you want to adjust anything, you can do it as well. Just like that. Now, I will select all shapes and I will group them together. Guys, this is our shamrock. You can stop here or you can follow me to the next step. Next step is one of my favorite features in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you. So I have still a selection tool active. So I will select my shamrock. I will go to Effect, 3D and Materials, Inflate, just like that. And voila, look at these guys. We 90% are done already. But if I want, I can modify, I can adjust my settings. Okay, let's do it. First of all, what I will do, I will be changing nothing in my object. But what I would like to do, I would like to work a little bit on my lighting modification. To do so, I will click on lighting, and here, guys, I will change the color of my light. To do so, double click, and I will use this bright yellow color. If you know me, you know that I love yellow color, and plus to that yellow color, in combination with green color, bring us some springy feeling, exactly what we need now. So this is my yellow color, bright yellow color, and I will click OK. Next step is I would like to add shadows. To do so, I will enable my shadows, and I will leave everything by default. I don't want to change anything. But if you want to change anything, you can use all of those sliders. First of all, guys, let me show you something. Let's use a rotation slider just to rotate our shadow. You can see that you can preview it in a real time, so you can adjust your shadow in a way you love. Also, you can adjust light intensity. Let's move intensity slider slightly to the right, and let's work with high slider. I will move high slider slightly to the right, so I made my shadow less visible, because um, this this setting will bring attention to the shamrock, and the shadow will be just like accessories to it. This is exactly what I wanted. And after that, what I need to do, I need to render everything. Just click on render, and voila, Illustrator will do everything for you. And voila, guys, look at this. This is our shamrock. If you would like to adjust anything, you in a rendering setting, you can do it as well. Simply expand it. And what I will do now, guys, I will switch quality from low to high. And voila, look at this. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Now, I will create a new empty layer. I will bring this layer behind our shamrock. I will switch to the rectangle tool, and I will be not changing, by the way, the color. And I will create this very simple background, and voila. If you would like to add more contrast between your shamrock and your background, simply change background color to darker color, just like that. And voila, guys, this is our shamrock we created from scratch in Adobe Illustrator. So, guys, I hope you learned something from this very short tutorial. If so, please, please, please jump in Illustrator, create it, and share with me on my social media platforms. I cannot wait to see what you will create. As always, guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you later. Bye.